Atlantic is a French international company, more than 50 years old. Since 2 years, our factory grew too much, and we became from 200 people to almost 500 people. And it happened in pandemic time. This means we wanted to reach our employees in a very quick way, and we would like to deploy correct information on time. So this made us think about alternative solutions, innovative solutions, about new ways for corporate communication.
Worldwide, 80% of employees work operationally and without a desktop. So unfortunately, however, only 1% of new software is developed by employees without a desktop. So Flip's vision is to provide equal and simultaneous access to information for all employees in the company, regardless of workplace or location. Flip is a software as a service solution, and therefore we use the newest technology available for cloud solutions. We have a microservice architecture which allows us to handle big amounts of requests and data when needed. If the workload is low, we can simply reduce the computing capacity. That saves us money and it is resource efficient.
With Plug and Play and Max organization, we come together with Flip specialists. It was a specific meeting for us. And Flip explained themselves in a very clear way. And they answer all my questions in my mind. Then after this meeting, I said, yes, I think we really need this application.
We focused on challenges and problems in the communication of Groupe Atlantic in the first place. We asked ourselves questions like, how does Groupe Atlantic distribute information? How can employees consume this information? Does everyone have the same access to information? These are just some questions we were trying to figure out. Flip as a solution was secondary. It is very important to understand the needs of the other side and not to just present your solution hoping it will fit.
With the pilot study, we received a lot of positive feedbacks from our employees that the information is very easily received, and they can give their opinions via very simple surveys. And they say it is also possible to have small groups within their own teams so that they can interact with each other easily.
The collaboration with Groupe Atlantic was fantastic. We had super friendly and competent contact persons who really wanted to make a change in the internal communication. Therefore, we worked very closely together and came up with constructive ideas. The commitment of Groupe Atlantic was great and we were able to conclude the contract very quickly. Plug and Play Istanbul was very supportive. I was requesting feedback after my first meeting with Groupe Atlantic, what I could have done better and where we need to set the focus to drive the sales process forward. We had a great debriefing and settled a strategy to successfully place Flip in the right light at Groupe Atlantic.
Thanks to Plug and Play, now we have a new opportunity, new technology to go on in a digital world.